Hey guys, welcome to another video. We got another piece of gear that is going to make my life a whole lot easier when we're out camping and having off-road adventures. Summer is here, and down in southern Utah it gets hot, and I need to search for any piece of shade that I can, especially with my kid and my co-star here. So it's super important to have somewhere to cool down, somewhere to stay out of this crazy sun, and that's what we've got here today. We have the RealTruck Overland awning, and as you guys know, this is perfect. This is on theme for what we're trying to accomplish with this truck. So in today's video, we're going to talk about a few things. Number one is actually going to be the giveaway winner. As you guys know, a month ago, I announced that I was giving away a free hat as well as some other merch to the winner of the giveaway who commented down below. I watched the entire video, send me that merch. You guys will have to check out the video down in the description, but I do have that winner picked out. If you guys want to see how I picked out that winner, you have to hop over to Instagram, check out the awesome video that we did. It was pretty fun. So I'll leave that link down below as well. Second, we're going to talk about the awning, right? That's like normal fashion. We're going to talk about what it's going to do for us when we're off-roading, as well as how you can snag one, all that fun jazz. And then we're going to talk about the future build, right? Because it's not going to stay mounted like this. Having a tonneau cover with the T-slot rail and be able to mount it like this is insanely sick, but we're also going to talk about the future plans and how that's going to be mounted permanently, or at least semi-permanently anyway. So let's go ahead, let's jump into it. Go get it. Probably gonna hear Appa in the background. Sorry guys. But let's go ahead, let's open it up. This is honestly my first time opening it up. So inside the awning is our giveaway winner. I have their name rolled up in the awning, so as we roll it out, hopefully it just pops out and I'll show you guys who the winner is. All right, so pulling this heavy duty cover off, already noticing the zippers on this thing as well as the protective cover are very heavy duty. Let's go ahead, let's see if this is gonna work. We're gonna roll it out, and I have the winner's name on a golf ball over here. So ready? There we go. Awesome. Okay, let me put that to the side. Now I'll show you guys. I wrote names on golf balls. Check out the Instagram video, but that is Oscar Yanez. You are the winner of the giveaway. We will be in touch. Let's go ahead, pull this all the way out, look at all its cool features, and just have some fun, right? Setting up some new gear. That is what it's all about. Once we get the awning out of the way, we have these telescoping legs, and we're just gonna kind of move them out of the way. This isn't a 270-degree awning, but hey, that's still pretty freaking cool. It's still gonna be super effective at providing shade. It's still gonna be super sweet. Holy crap. Okay, I might have to move the angle of the camera on this thing. It's actually a lot bigger than I thought it would be. All right, once we've got it out this far, we have the legs on the corners. They telescope out. We'll go ahead, drop these bad boys. There we go. You just kind of have to twist the legs. That's kind of tough with one person, but we got it figured out. I'm gonna put it on an angle here to kind of keep it situated. This is so cool. Testing out a new piece of gear and like learning it, even after watching a video, learning how to do it, getting out here and doing it in the field is a whole different story. I'm sure you guys can relate. Our next step is to grab the other poles, and they kind of stretch it out and keep it nice and tight for us. I've learned keeping your hand in the middle if you're by yourself is key. There's these holes that just kind of locks in place. These rubber feet we're gonna put on these poles. Just kind of helps. It's gonna help protect it, you know, give it a little bit of longevity. All right. Now I feel like is the stage where I can finagle and get it to the way that I want it right now. Again, this is all for demonstration purposes, honestly, until I get the bed rack built for my truck. So that's the future plans. My dad and I we're gonna be working together on building a bed rack for the truck bed, where this is gonna be mounted, have a rooftop tent, you know, do all the overlander, all the overlanding gear that we need to have successful and spontaneous adventures off-road. It's gonna be super fun. Here's that for you, buddy. But for all purposes of demonstrating a new piece of gear that was sent to me by RealTruck, this is what we're doing. And honestly, it works out really great. So, I mean, temporary, sure, yeah. We could totally mount it to the tonneau cover and go to town. So that just proves how cool RealTruck gear is. So if you guys also want to bring your truck dreams to life, be sure to use the links down below. Snag something from RealTruck. Honestly, you'll be super impressed by what you can find over there. So let's finish this. I want to get these Velcro straps attached to the pole right here. So that's kind of how that works together, and kind of just set this up and sit back for a second and relax. I mean, I'm parked horribly for the shade, but we need to sit back and relax after testing this out. All right, so check this thing out, you guys. I am so stoked. Like, I didn't grow up tent camping or overlanding or doing any of this super gearhead stuff. So it's super cool to me to have the experience of modding out my truck for the purpose of what's going to fit my lifestyle, which is overlanding, off-roading, going camping with the family, and spontaneously just having it set up to where I can leave my house, go out for a night or whatever, have everything in the truck ready to go, and camp, right? Or maybe escape the apocalypse, right? These things, these pieces of gear honestly accomplish that for me. And honestly, I enjoy this so much. I hope you guys do too, but we have set this thing up to kind of just be straight with, you know, level with my truck bed here. And I'm very, very impressed. This is going to be like all windproof, weatherproof. It's going to provide some shade. It also came with this ordnance bag. That's what we're going to call it. Has these guy lines that's going to tie everything down if it's windy, your hardware, and some super heavy duty stakes. So pretty sweet. Sets you up for success for mounting everything to a rack or a basket if you wanted to mount it flat. So pretty cool. That is just gonna be so sick once it's finally mounted on the bed rack that I'm building. It's honestly just gonna be so fun to pull it all together. The bed rack, so let's talk about the truck bed rack a little bit. If you guys remember the crossbars, the RealTruck crossbars that they sent me that I personally chose, it was an oversight on my part. They would still work with my tonneau cover, but with this being a roll-up tonneau cover and the crossbars being such a low profile, I couldn't roll this up and get access to my truck bed having the crossbars up here. I didn't want those going to waste. We are using the crossbars, welding on some steel, and implementing it with the tonneau cover rail here, and just making it all one workable custom piece for my truck bed. It's going to be a pretty sweet video series, so if you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe so you do not miss out on those videos. I'm super stoked. It's going to save me a little bit of money. It's going to be a fun adventure with my dad. I'm going to learn some new things along the way, like welding, designing, and all the fun stuff that comes with fabricating your own stuff. But I think it's going to be really sweet. So with the off-road suspension, the off-road tires, and now the awning with the truck bed rack, it's going to tie in everything, and I couldn't be more excited. So I think I just want to take a second and thank RealTruck for helping me out, bringing my truck to life, and thank you for watching this, subscribing, and giving me the support. I wouldn't be here without you. So you mean the world to me. What do you guys think of this new overlanding awning? I love the telescoping legs. So like I mentioned, you just twist and that comes out, then you twist it the other way and it stays put. Telescoping arms up here to keep it all tight. Very cool. I'm actually super impressed with all the high quality material that it is. Even though it's not a 270 awning, I mean, maybe those are overhyped, but this being what it is, oh man, that's gonna be so cool. And on future adventures, I'll just have to remember to park where this is actually going to give me some shade. I think being up higher on the bed rack will definitely help out. So now it's time to just put it away and head back home. This was super fun, opening a new piece of gear. testing it out, seeing what's going to work for me, and just kind of figuring out my way of setting things up, right? I'm sure we've all been there when it comes to setting something up for the first time. So cool. I'm so excited. Thank you to everyone who participated in the giveaway. If you guys think we should do another one, I've got plenty of merch. We could do another giveaway. Let me know down in the comment. Like this video. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on these future series. We'll see you guys in the next one.